Is it okay now?
Call Juan Karui over again.
Hello. We're live now. We're live. I'm now at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan Hebei Province. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. A bit more back. I've just turned on the heating mode. If all the business owners who are in charge of purchasing, whether you are in the construction machinery business, or agricultural machinery parts, or construction equipment business, are still looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to join my live stream.
I am currently at a high-pressure rubber hose source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. High-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes.
If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, my live stream is a must-see. You should stay tuned till the end. Right now, I'm going to take you on a guided tour of our factory, providing an in-depth look. First, I'd like to give you an overview of our factory. Let me share some basic information about our facility.
Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone?
Our factory enjoys a superior geographical location and is close to the main expressway of Feixiang, just near the expressway trunk road. In Feixiang by 2025, the newly opened Feixiang West Expressway exit is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Just 1 kilometer away. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years of in-depth cultivation. Our total land area has reached over 100 mu. And currently, our total construction workshop area has reached 100,000 square meters. The total construction workshop area has reached 100,000 square meters. Our Phase 2, which was newly put into use in 2024, covers an area of 20,000 square meters. After it was put into use, our overall production capacity has tripled, more than doubled. Previously, many customers contacted me saying that during the peak delivery season, we have a phenomenon of long order scheduling time. By 2024, the end of 2024, after the put into use of our new plant in the second phase, our production capacity has more than tripled. Up to now, we have so far been able to achieve a daily output of 80,000 meters, with the daily output reaching 80,000 meters. All these large orders, whether they are large or urgent, we can fully handle them. All large and urgent orders, we can fully handle them. Our factory has our own R&D workshop. Production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including an independent storage workshop. Our factory storage workshop alone covers an area of over 20,000 square meters. We also have our own independent shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise with an integrated process. All the products of the same quality. Our factory's price is more reasonable. Our factory not only produces conventional high-pressure rubber hoses, conventional brands high-pressure rubber hoses, all these special-shaped joints and special-shaped rubber hoses. We can undertake all of them. Because our factory, up to now, there are still many peers, are still looking for subcontracting. Our factory has already implemented independent production, independent R&D, and independent production. Our factory has our own R&D team, and our factory has our own professional technical team. We have our own R&D workshop. All these special-shaped rubber tubes, special-shaped joints. We can undertake all of them.
We can meet all your matching needs.
Our factory's products can now meet all your matching needs, including your matching scenarios, your equipment needs, As long as you tell us your parameters, our factory can smoothly handle all of them. We have a professional technical team in the background. We have a professional technical team for all your technical requirements. You can contact the host for all of them. You can contact the host. Welcome, everyone who just joined the live stream. Welcome, everyone who just joined the live stream. I am currently at a high-pressure rubber hose manufacturer located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Go ahead.
I'm from Busan.
I wasn't originally scheduled to work today. I feel like he doesn't really understand even if he comes.
It just depends on where you're from.
He went around the county town. And then he saw that director. And then he asked to create that management ledger.
Asking to create that management ledger. Then we left since they didn't take us away.
Coming here.
He informed.
But didn't really give any notice. He just directly asked, without any notice.
You see?
I'll call him over.
Then what are you doing here?
Well, I'm extremely worried to death. And also,
You didn't even this morning.
And then put it this way. Put it this way. Let's wait a bit longer.
And wait.
it's already past 3.
Oh,
Okay.
we're live.
We're live.
The host has just turned on the heating button and just started the live stream. Where the host is now is a large factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hose.
You are in the engineering machinery business, or agricultural machinery accessories,
Or you are a business owner making purchases. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live room and stay for a while. Today, the host has been live streaming for 2 hours. We will take you to deeply understand our factory. You can learn about Handan Sinopulse Rubber Co. Ltd. What kind of enterprise is it? First of all, I'd like to report to you that the basic information of our factory. Our factory was established in 2011. We are located in the Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. And our factory is located in a superior geographical location, right next to the main expressway of Feixiang. And by 2025, the newly opened Feixiang West Expressway exit, which has just been opened, is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. We are also very close to the Feixiang West Expressway exit. Just 1 kilometer away. And our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu. Our construction workshop currently covers over 100,000 square meters. We have our own independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and warehouse workshop, including our own independent shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. A large industrial and trade integrated factory. From the establishment of our factory to now, we never compete by undercutting prices or engaging in vicious internal competition. Our factory never competes by bottom price negent. What we rely on is stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Stable quality, stable delivery time, stable after-sales service. Our factory is fully engaged in self-production and self-marketing. We don't have any middlemen, no middlemen at all. For the same quality of this high-pressure rubber hose, our factory's price is more realistic. So, For all the family members lingering outside the live stream. For all the family members still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host is taking everyone on an in-depth tour of our factory to gain a deeper understanding of why we have been able to establish ourselves as a 15-year established factory, and why our factory's products can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world, and why we have customers in every county and city across the country, why these big customers are able to make long-term and large volume repeat purchases. Today's live stream lasts a full 2 hours, and I will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory. We will take a closer look at Handon Snowpex Hose Co. Limited. Right now, many of our competitors are still looking for other factories for contract manufacturing. Our factory has already implemented independent research and development. Our factory has our own independent R&D team. We have our own R&D workshop. All these special shaped joints are non-standard customized. For special shaped rubber tubes, our factory can undertake all of them. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream room. Welcome to all the family members who just joined us. Right now, factory's new Phase 2 plant was put into use in 2024. The new Phase 2 plant covers an area of over 20,000 square meters. Up to now, in early 2026, our new Phase 3 plant will also have been put into use. It has already been put into use. Up to now, the total production capacity of our factory, with a daily output of 80,000 units. The daily output can reach 80,000 units. All of them. Previously, some old customers contacted the host, saying that we used to have a problem during the peak season of delivery, the long scheduling lead time, and the scheduling took a long time. Up to now, after our Phase I, 2, and 3 are put into use, we have already fully solved the issue of delivery time. Now, the problem of delivery time has been completely resolved. For all large orders, whether they are large orders, urgent orders, or customized orders, our factory can handle them all. Besides, our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. All hydraulic fittings and hydraulic pipes, including our assembly parts, are all purchased in one stop, which greatly saves purchasing managers time and cost, All. For all of you who are still hovering outside the live stream, lingering outside the live stream, if you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Welcome to all the family members who just joined the live stream. I am currently located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handon City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone. As a source factory, what the host is holding now is our regular brand. Our factory not only produces high-pressure rubber hoses, but also produces all kinds of connectors, including 5-way connectors, 90-degree angle connectors, and all other connectors, which can be purchased in one stop in our factory. All of them are available for one-stop purchase. Many business owners, when purchasing, some don't have much knowledge about the quality of our factory, including those currently available on the market. There are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses. So why are they able to offer such low prices? Even lower than the lowest price? Let me tell you. Some of the cheap rubber hoses on the market today, 90% come from small workshops. Those small workshops don't have quality inspections, unstable rubber compound, and even less after-sales guarantees. Was established in 2011. And up to now, our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu,
with a daily output of 80,000 meters.
For all the big urgent orders and customized orders, our factory can take them all. Our factory can handle them all. Here, I also want to give all the business owners in charge of procurement a reminder that When you are doing procurement, you must learn about the factory, strength, their strength. Check what the scale of this factory is, what their scale is. As we all know, the scale of an enterprise determines its delivery time and the stability of delivery. The size of the factory determines its delivery time, and the accuracy of the equipment determines its quality. The accuracy of the equipment in the factory determines its quality. It determines the stability of its quality, including the qualifications of this factory determines its reliability, determines the reliability of this factory. Handan City Sinuo Rubber Roller Co. Limited. Our daily output has now reached 80,000 meters. For all the glue paint problems, we have already steadily solved them. All the glue paint problems, we have already steadily undertaken, already steadily solved. Welcome, everyone who has just entered the live stream. Welcome, everyone who has just entered the live stream. The host is currently in a live stream room for high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiong Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a live stream room of the source factory. We don't have any middlemen, no middlemen at all. For the same quality of this high-pressure rubber hose, our price is more realistic. For the same quality of this high-pressure rubber hose, our price is more realistic. Our factory not only undertakes conventional brands of hydraulic oil pipes, all non-standard customizations, our factory can also undertake steadily. Because now, up to now, when many peers are still looking for OEM processing,
our factory has now been able to achieve independent research and development and independent production.
Independent research and development and independent production. We are a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. A large integrated industrial and trade enterprise. One-stop procurement for all hydraulic products. All hydraulic equipment, hydraulic pipe fittings, including connectors. We provide one-stop procurement. It greatly saves your procurement time and cost. Greatly saving your procurement time and cost. For those of you who are still lingering outside the live stream, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host is now taking everyone on an in-depth tour of our factory, providing a detailed look inside. Let's get to know our factory together and learn about it and take a look at our quality, the quality of our products. Let's see how our factory has developed into a large factory with 15 years of history. How we have achieved this as a large factory over 15 years. Why our products can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world. All of these, for all of you who are lingering outside the live stream, if you are also searching for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, this live stream hosted by the host, don't you dare to swipe away. Please don't exit this live broadcast. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the folks who have just joined the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes, if you are searching for these high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes, make sure to visit the host's live stream and stay for a while. Make sure to drop by the host's live stream. The host is taking everyone on an in-depth journey to learn about our Handan City Sinuo rubber hose. Our Handan City Sinuo rubber hose
Go LTD.
is located in Handan City, Hebei Province. Situated in Handan City, Hebei Province. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu, as we have been expanding over the past few years and growing stronger. Our first phase workshop, established in 2011. In 2024, we put into use a new second phase plant. The new second phase plant. In the same year, all production equipment in our first phase workshop was completely updated and iterated, fully updated and iterated. That means up to now. The equipment in our first phase and second phase production workshops,
whether it is the steel wire twisting in the first process,
including the knitting machine for the steel wire reinforcement layer in the later stage, and the winding machine, including our internal and external rubber coating process, as well as the later stage water wrapping layer, and the finished product packaging equipment. All the equipment has been upgraded, and all have been updated and iterated. All the old equipment we have already phased out. All have been eliminated. All our current production equipment is sourced directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry. from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. Each of our equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer, which can precisely control the weaving speed, the winding angle, and the tension adjustment. Also, in case of a malfunction, it has an automatic alarm program. Yes, the automatic alarm situation. Precisely because the higher the accuracy of our equipment, the more stable the quality of the products manufactured, the more stable the quality will be. Because many grooves. Now, many purchasing managers, when purchasing our high-pressure rubber hoses for production, during the procurement process, the most worrying thing is to encounter some middlemen or small workshops. I believe many bosses who do procurement should have encountered problems. They should have all been caught out before. Because some small workshops, their products have no quality inspection and no after-sales service. They also fail to meet the delivery time, which is even more unstable. Han City Sinopulse Rubber Roller Co. Limited was established in 2011. Our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. All our delivery issues are completely trouble-free. Our delivery problem has been completely solved. The delivery problem and the quality of our factory. Our factory has always been adhering to the international standards and always adhere to the international standards. Domestic prices and international standards and domestic prices. Since we have always been engaged in foreign trade before, we have been doing foreign trade all the time. We have just opened up the domestic market, and we have just opened up the domestic market as well. All the production equipment used in our factory is directly from the world's top equipment manufacturers. Precision of our production equipment is very high, so the quality of production will be more stable. The accuracy of the equipment depends on the stability of the product quality, the stability of the quality. So I would advise all the bosses in procurement, if you are purchasing products, you must pay attention to the strength of the factory and the equipment of the factory, because the higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality of the product will be. The more stable the quality will be.
Friends,
For all of you who are still lingering outside the live stream,
For all of you who are still hanging around outside the live stream, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. And the host is currently giving everyone an in-depth look at our factory. The host is taking everyone on an in-depth tour of our factory. Our factory. Currently, as of now, our second phase new plant was put into use in 2024. Our daily output can reach 80,000 meters, with a daily output of 80,000 meters. All our delivery issues have been firmly resolved. All of them have been properly solved, whether it's a large order, urgent order, or customized order. We can handle them all. We are fully capable of taking them all. Now, up to now, in the market, there are still many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses. Let me explain it to you in simple terms. These high-pressure rubber hoses you purchase and use. If they frequently experience issues like bulging, delamination, oil leakage, air leakage, including tube swelling or tube bursting, 90% of the time it's due to insufficient equipment precision, inadequate vulcanization, and unstable performance. 90% of the time it's due to a lack of equipment precision. Because currently on the market, those of us doing procurement should know. Now, the production cluster for high-pressure rubber hoses is generally located in Jing County, Hengshui. Also, some in the south, like Zhejiang and Suzhou, Shun, Nanjing, and other places. Precisely because they are production clusters. Some small workshops have also emerged. Small workshops, especially in Jing County, Hengshui. Jing County, Hengshui. Especially in Jing County, almost every household is engaged in the production of high-pressure rubber hoses, and some small workshops can even produce them at home. However, these small workshops, their products, first, the quality cannot be guaranteed, because their small workshops are not large in scale, and the production equipment they have are also small ones. The small workshops are equipped with some old equipment, and on that old equipment, they don't have high-precision computers, so they cannot precisely control some parameters in the production process, and they have to rely on manual feeling to control. They have to rely on manual control So the stability of the quality of their products cannot be guaranteed. The quality cannot be guaranteed to be stable. Another point is that its production scale is not large. So the delivery time is unstable. And the delivery time is unstable. Finally, if problems arise during use, after-sales service cannot be guaranteed. Also, there is no way to guarantee it. So, I would advise all the business owners doing procurement that during the procurement process, you must take into account the supplier's factory and its scale, as well as their quality control. Quality control. This includes their after-sales service. After-sales service. Sinopulse Rubber Pipe Co. Limited. Up to now, we have been in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We have been deeply engaged in this industry for 15 years. What's more, our daily output can reach 80,000 meters. With a daily output of 80,000 meters, our delivery time is completely reliable, and our factory's delivery is absolutely on time. Then, about the quality control of our factory. We implement standardized management for the entire process. The whole process is managed in a standardized way, from raw materials to the production workshop, and then to the finished product packaging. Our factory has a complete management system, a complete set of management system. Our factory has our own quality inspection, a professional quality inspection team in our factory, before each batch of raw materials enters our factory. Since its establishment, we have always been adhering to the tenet of exquisiteness. We have always been ensuring that production is carried out in accordance with international standards. International standards. All the raw materials used in our factory, whether it's steel wire or other raw and auxiliary materials, including rubber, are all sourced directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry. Welcome to all the family members who just joined our live stream. Welcome. I am currently located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of hydraulic oil pipes and high-pressure rubber hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, a source factory of hydraulic oil pipes and high-pressure rubber hoses. If you have a need to purchase hydraulic oil pipes or high-pressure rubber hoses, or any hydraulic equipment, including hydraulic fittings, as long as you are interested, please stay in the host's live room for a while. Be sure to come to the host's live room and stay for a while, because the host is taking everyone to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory. To have a deep understanding of our factory. Our factory has its own independent mixing workshop. Our factory has its own independent mixing workshop, because many peers are still looking for others for outsourcing processing. Our factory has already implemented independent research and development and independent production, precisely because we have our own independent mixing workshop. Can the raw material of mixed rubber for our high-pressure rubber hose be more stable? And more stable, because after each batch of raw materials is produced, our professional experimental team will conduct a rapid spot check on each batch of mixed rubber. A rapid spot check. If some properties change with temperature or other factors, and there is a problem, our experimental team, including our technical team, will make adjustments at any time. And make adjustments at any time. This is also the first threshold for us to ensure the stability of quality, the raw materials. We are quite strict with the quality control, because we do not rely on the long-term external procurement of this mixed rubber. We have our own independent formula. We produce it ourselves, produce this mixed rubber ourselves. Only in this way, during the production process. If there are some unstable performance cases, we can promptly adjust and make timely adjustments. This way, our performance can be more stable, and as a series of problems arise during our use, we have our own R&D team and our own technical team, so we can adjust it by ourselves at any time. Adjust it by ourselves at any time. This is also the core key to ensuring the stability of our quality. The core key. Because some small workshops rely on purchasing mixed rubber from other factories for a long time. Surely, they purchase from one supplier today, then another supplier tomorrow. The more suppliers they purchase from, the less stable the quality, because formulas vary from supplier to supplier. Formulas vary from one another, so the performance of the rubber cannot be guaranteed to be stable. It is impossible to guarantee stability. The advantage of our factory is that we have our own independent mixing workshop, a mixing workshop covering an area of over 10,000 square meters. We can independently develop all the mixed rubber, which can be adapted to all your needs and all scenarios, whether it is in extremely cold weather, at -40 degrees or -50 degrees, or at a working condition of 150 degrees above zero. The rubber in our factory can operate normally under the working condition of 150 degrees above zero, without the phenomenon of aging, or the phenomenon of aging, peeling, and cracking.
Even if the rubber in our factory is in an environment of -50 degrees.
It will not harden. Our high-pressure rubber hose can still maintain good flexibility under the working conditions of -40 degrees and -50 degrees. Our rubber hose is softer. This is also a new product we just developed last year. A super soft rubber newly developed by our factory. Super soft hose. A newly developed super soft hose of ours can remain flexible even in temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius. Without getting hardened, it won't get hardened.
Everyone.
Everyone who is still lingering outside the live room. Everyone who is still lingering outside the live room. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses,
If
you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. Our factory not only produces this high-pressure rubber hose, all special-shaped rubber hoses. We support non-standard customization. And our factory supports non-standard customization. All large orders and customized orders. Today, the live stream today is exactly 2 hours long. I will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory. We will take a closer look at Hand & Snow Rubber Co. Ltd. Many returning customers have contacted the host, saying that they often didn't know that we have a factory in Handen, Habe. They didn't know. Some have been using our brand for a long time, but they didn't know where it was produced. Our factory, Hand & Snow Rubber Co. Ltd., is located in Handen City, Hebei Province, specifically in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handen City, Hebei Province. Our factory is located right next to the main expressway, close to the main expressway. In 2025, a new west exit of Feixiang was opened on the expressway, which is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Just 1 kilometer away from our factory. We offer fast nationwide logistics delivery, and the suburbs are super stable, because currently, with the expansion of our factory, up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. All large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders. Our factory can handle them all. Our factory not only handles rubber hoses, but also all kinds of fittings, pipe parts, all connecting barrels, sleeves, including connectors. Our factory also provides one-stop purchasing. This is also one of our factory's advantages. Because our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a whole process approach. Our factory not only produces rubber hoses, but also all the fittings, which can all be purchased in one stop in our factory. It can meet all your needs. It can adapt to all your needs. Welcome everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream room, where the host is currently at a factory specializing in high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handen City, Hebei Province. It's a source factory. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a whole process integration. We don't have any middlemen. We're all high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. Our price is more reasonable. Our price is more competitive. 是的.
Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream.
Welcome to all the family members who have just joined us.
I am currently at a high-pressure rubber hose manufacturer located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. For those who have just joined us, please give the host a follow and give some likes. Please hit the follow button and like this video. Whether you are in the construction machinery industry, or agricultural machinery accessories, or you are a business owner making purchases, as long as you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to join my live stream. Be sure to join my live stream. President Wang.
I don't know.
It's not lit up, right?
It's indeed not lit up, right?
Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream.
Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream.
The host is now taking everyone on an in-depth exploration of Handan City Sinopulse Co. Ltd. Handan City Sinopulse Co. Ltd. The high-pressure hose that the host is holding now is a regular brand of our factory. A regular brand. Our factory not only produces this regular brand of high-pressure hose. Now, while many peers are looking for subcontracting, our factory has already achieved independent research and development, and independent production. All of these special-shaped hoses and special-shaped joints can be undertaken by our factory. All can be undertaken by our factory because our factory has now implemented independent research and development. Our factory has our own R&D workshop. Our factory now has our own R&D workshop, and we have our own professional R&D team. Up to now, our high-pressure rubber hose can adapt to all your scenario requirements now. To all the scenario requirements, no matter your working condition is 150 degrees above zero or minus 50 degrees, our product in a high-temperature environment will not show any sign of aging or peeling. In a low-temperature environment, it will not become hardened. It will not become hardened. Our factory just applied for a patent last year, and the super soft hose that our factory has produced. The super soft hose can meet all your needs in narrow spaces, all the needs of narrow spaces. Besides, our factory not only produces this high-pressure rubber hose, all the suction and discharge pipes, oil pipelines and bacteria pipelines, sewage pipelines. Our factory can produce all of them. Our factory can produce them all, whether you are a purchaser or the owner of a construction machinery company, or the owner of agricultural machinery parts, or the owner of mining accessories, the bosses in mining accessories business. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, this live stream of the host must not be missed. This live stream of the host must not be missed.
Right. You really gave me a big fright.
I have no idea.
It should be a live stream.
How do you know that?
Yeah.
No. Who is it?
Won Yenin.
No, I haven't been in touch with her.
Haven't you already assigned people?
Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream.
Welcome to all the family members who just joined us. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Stay for a while. The host is now taking everyone to delve into an understanding of our factory. Delve into understanding our factory. Our factory is located in 2024. Our factory was established in 2011. And up to now, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. For 15 years, the products of our factory currently have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. To more than 60 countries worldwide. Why can our high-pressure rubber hoses be exported to more than 60 countries? And why can the products of our factory maintain such stable quality all the time? It relies on our factory management, which is the secret. Since the very beginning of production, from 2011 to now, we have been working on raw material control,
production process control,
and pressure test before leaving the factory. Our factory has always been adhering to the refined management, pursuing exquisite work. And all the raw materials in our factory, which are all directly supplied by top-tier raw material manufacturers in the industry. All these materials are directly supplied by the manufacturers. Besides, for each batch of raw materials in our factory, before they enter our factory, our experimental team and quality inspectors will conduct random inspections on each batch of raw materials. They will do random checks on all the raw materials. Only after passing the random inspection can they be used and put into use. All unqualified raw materials will be rejected. Our factory rejects them all because our factory deeply understands that only raw materials can control the high-quality products. It is the first threshold to ensure high-quality products. The first threshold. We will never cut corners. Our factory never cuts corners. From the establishment of our factory to now. This is a core bottom line that we adhere to. This is our bottom line. All raw materials. Before entering the factory, we will conduct batch sampling inspections. All unqualified products. We will reject them all. All are rejected. To those who are still lingering outside the live room, to all of you, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live room and stay for a while. The host is leading everyone to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory. Right now, we are learning about our factory. You go live for a while. But don't tell them. And I'll turn it off next. Obsessive compulsion. Purchasing managers. You should all know that. This second play feature. Everyone in purchasing should know that. It's finally removed. All the bosses in procurement. Jigga should know that. The scale of the enterprise determines its delivery time, which further determines its delivery time. The accuracy of the equipment determines the stability of quality, I just told you how our factory controls quality. First of all, raw materials. All our raw materials are directly from the industry's top raw material manufacturers. And we conduct batch spot checks for each batch of raw materials. Batch spot checks for all unqualified raw materials. We reject them all in terms of raw materials. We never cut corners because we deeply know that. Raw materials are the first threshold to ensure stable quality. The first threshold. This threshold Since we started production in 2011 up to now, we have been consistently adhering to batch sampling inspection. Each batch undergoes batch sampling inspection. All unqualified raw materials. We uniformly reject them. We absolutely will not cut corners. We absolutely will not cut corners. This is also the most critical key to ensuring our quality stability. The most critical key. Second is our factory's equipment. The accuracy of equipment. All the production equipment in our factory are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. Directly from the equipment manufacturers. And each of our production equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer. A high-precision computer. Not only is our new plant in phase 2 equipped with new equipment, but also our old plant in phase 1. The old plant in phase 1 has been fully upgraded in 2024, with all equipment renewed and iterated. Fully renewed and iterated. All our old equipment has been phased out, and our old plant in phase 1, together with our new plant in phase 2. The new plant in phase 2, all products and all equipment are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. The accuracy of our equipment is particularly good because our factory deeply understands that. Only with higher accuracy can its quality become more stable, and the quality will be more stable. Many business owners don't understand the importance of equipment, and many of them do not understand it when making purchases. Let me explain it in simple terms. If the product you are using during use frequently experiences problems like bulging delamination and poor pressure resistance, bursting, as well as oil or gas leakage and other quality issues, then 90% of the time it's due to insufficient equipment accuracy. Lack of equipment accuracy can lead to insufficient vulcanization. And Snow Rubber and Plastic Co. Ltd. Sourcing all equipment directly from top-tier manufacturers in the industry. Moreover, on each piece of our equipment, we have installed a high-precision computer. This computer is high-precision, and only with this equipment, these high-precision devices, can the quality of our factory's products become more stable. For example, our inner and outer rubber coating process. The process of inner and outer rubber coating. During our production process, we not only have mutual inspections between employees in different processes, but also have a professional quality inspection team that conducts random inspections in batches at each process. This is our quality control for manual work. The core lies in the high-precision equipment in our factory. High-precision equipment. Our inner and outer rubber coating equipment is a high-precision extruder directly from the world's top equipment manufacturer. A high-precision extruder which can evenly control. Our extruder is equipped with a high-precision computer. A high-precision computer can accurately control the extrusion speed of our high-pressure rubber hose. Precise speed control, and moreover, each of our high-precision equipment can fully melt the rubber and then extrude it evenly, so as to ensure better sealing of our inner rubber layer. Fundamentally, it solves the problem of oil and gas leakage, eliminating such phenomena from the root. Sides. Each of our extruders is equipped with a high-precision diameter measuring instrument, an outer diameter measuring instrument. For each high-pressure rubber hose, it will be electronically controlled by this diameter measuring instrument. Electronically controlled. If the high-pressure rubber hose in production has an outer diameter out of tolerance, our high-precision outer diameter measuring instrument will directly alarming and directly stop the production. So, while controlling the production, we not only rely on manual work, we also have high-precision production equipment. High-precision production equipment. The higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality of our products will be, and the quality of the products of our factory will be more stable. And our factory, all the raw materials of our factory, not all semi-finished products. After coming to the finished product packaging process, we will conduct a pressure test on each high-pressure rubber hose. To carry out a pressure test, the standard of our test is the working pressure of each of our high-pressure rubber hoses, twice the working pressure, and continue to be under pressure for 1 minute, Only after the test result is qualified will our products be packaged and warehoused. They will be packaged and warehoused, then flow into the hands of customers. All products that fail the test
will be directly scrapped.
We directly scrap them. So, for the bosses in procurement, if you are in the process of purchasing high-pressure rubber hoses and you don't know the accuracy of the equipment, you must thoroughly investigate the factory and have in-depth understanding of it. Be sure to check the products of the factory you purchase from. Check the accuracy of its equipment. See what equipment it uses and what kind of equipment it is. Then you can know about its quality. If you visit the factory of your cooperative client, if it's a particularly small workshop and the equipment is old and outdated, then be assured that its quality will not be stable. Its quality will not be too good. Not too good.
What?
Haven't you done this before? You must be very experienced.
Right.
Well, you just need to explore the computer. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Right.
Where did you work?
A factory.
With newly upgraded equipment.
Can precisely control the vulcanization speed, including the angle of steel wire weaving and the angle of the steel wire. Our factory's newly upgraded equipment
can precisely control the wall thickness of the hose,
as well as the pressure resistance of the steel wire layer and the number of steel wire layers, including the winding angle and the vulcanization temperature, as well as the molding density, the pressure resistance of each rubber hose, the wear resistance, the oil resistance, and the anti-aging properties. All can be greatly improved, whether it is a 2-layer steel wire hose. We also avoid dimensional deviations and substandard pressure. We ensure there's no substandard pressure. Moreover, every high-pressure rubber hose, before leaving the factory, undergoes a pressure test to ensure its quality. Our factory can achieve 100% quality inspection for every high-pressure rubber hose. The standard for our pressure testing is twice the working pressure of our high-pressure rubber hose. Twice the working pressure, and it must withstand the pressure for 1 minute. And it is under continuous pressure for 1 minute. Only in this way can we guarantee the quality of each of our high-pressure rubber hoses.
Hello?
Yes.
No, I'm sleepy. Cheer up.
Cheer up. To all the family members still lingering outside the live room. To all the family members still lingering outside the live room. If you are also looking for this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, you must come to the host's live room. The host's live room. Stay for a while. Be sure to come to the host's live room. Stay for a while. And the host is taking everyone to delve deeper into our hand and Sinopulse rubber hose and learn about the scale of our factory and what its quality is like. Take everyone to deeply understand our hand and Sinopulse. All those who are interested, all those looking for high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, or those who want to come to the site for a visit, as long as you have a need, can contact the small windmill in the lower right corner of the host. You can all get in touch. The small windmill in the lower right corner of the host. The host will contact everyone after the broadcast. We'll contact everyone. I will briefly report to you the current situation of our factory. Our factory is located in the Economic Development Zone, Feixian District, Handan City, Hebei Province. Was established in 2011. And up to now, it has been deeply cultivating in this industry for 15 years. With 15 years of in-depth industry experience. And each of our products and our factory, up to now, covers a total area of more than 100 mu. And our total construction workshop has reached more than 100,000 square meters. All the production capacity combined, our daily output can reach 80,000 meters. The daily output can reach 80,000 meters. Now, it has greatly solved our delivery date problem. Because before, some customers already fanquaked to us that during the peak season of delivery, we will have a problem of long order scheduling time. And a long order scheduling time in 2024, the newly put into use Phase 2, covering an area of more than 20,000 square meters. The new plant in Phase 2. After being put into use, our daily output has already doubled. Up to now, our daily output can reach 80,000 meters. The daily output can reach 80,000 meters. And all these large and urgent orders can be accepted by us, whether they are large orders, urgent orders, or customized orders. We can accept all of them. Moreover, our factory now has its own independent R&D workshop. We have our own professional R&D team that addresses all technical issues, and you can contact us. Our factory not only undertakes conventional brands of high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all non-standard customizations. Our factory can also provide one-stop purchasing.
Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream.
I am currently at our source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. The source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Our factory is not a newly opened one, not a small one, nor an intermediary that does branding. Our factory is an established one with 15 years of in-depth cultivation in the industry, an old factory with 15 years of dedication. Our factory, up to now, our daily output can reach 80,000 meters. The daily output can reach 80,000 meters. All the bosses who do procurement know that. The scale of an enterprise determines its delivery time. Now, our factory's first phase established workshop and the second phase workshop cover a total area of over 100,000 square meters. We have our own independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including our own warehouse workshop.
And we also have our own independent shipping area.
We are a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. Very large in scale. We don't have any middlemen, and there is no price increase at all. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our price is more reasonable. And for high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our price is more reasonable. Besides, why can we achieve long-term stability and quality? Our factory has been in operation since its establishment.
and our quality has always been very stable. Why can we achieve long-term stable production? It is thanks to our Welcome to all the family members who have just joined the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just joined the live stream. I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. It is a source factory. We are a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise that provides a full process solution. A large integrated industrial and trading enterprise. We don't have any middlemen. And let me tell you something. We don't have any middlemen. For all the high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our prices are more reasonable. Our prices are more realistic. First, why our quality can remain stable in the long term. First, as I mentioned earlier, it's our strict control over raw materials. We strictly control them. All substandard raw materials are rejected. They are all rejected.
Second, the core key point is our production equipment. The production equipment. As we all know, our factory was established in 2011. Many people may ask. It has been established since 2011 until now. For 15 years. So isn't your equipment already 15 years old? Let me tell you, the equipment in our factory, indeed. Since the establishment of our factory, there is a batch of old equipment. But in 2024, we have completely updated and iterated all the old equipment. All have been updated and iterated. Our new plant in phase 2 was put into use in 2024. All the new production equipment put into use in 2024 comes directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry in the same year. The production equipment in our old workshop of phase I has also been completely updated and iterated. All have been updated and iterated. All production equipment we uniformly source directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry. And on each piece of production equipment, there is a high-precision computer equipped. A high-precision computer, for example, our steel wire weaving equipment, the steel wire weaving machine, including the wire winding machine. This steel wire weaving equipment, our high-precision knitting machine equipment, is equipped with a high-precision computer, which can accurately control the speed. It can accurately control the speed. And besides, what's wrong? Who is it?
I don't know.
Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. If you are also looking for high-quality high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to stop by the host's live stream and stay for a while. The host is taking everyone on an in-depth tour of our factory, providing a detailed look inside. Let's see how our factory has developed into a large-scale enterprise with 15 years of history. Over the past 15 years, and how we have maintained long-term large-volume repurchases from our major domestic clients, including how we expand our products overseas and make them known to the world, enabling our products to be exported to more than 60 countries worldwide. In fact, what we rely on is our stable quality, reliable delivery time, as well as after-sales service and stable after-sales service. So how do we control the quality? As I just mentioned, our raw materials are strictly controlled. Our raw materials are strictly controlled. We not only source directly from the top raw material manufacturers in our industry, but we also conduct batch re-inspections on the raw materials they deliver. We conduct random inspections on each batch. We reject all substandard raw materials. This is the first aspect of our strict control over raw materials. Second, in our production process, during production, we not only have manual inspections, our operators and staff members during production are required to conduct self-inspections every 15 or 20 minutes, and we need to keep records of these self-inspections. This is our control for the operating employees. A fine management. Moreover, we have our own professional quality inspection team, and after going to work, our quality inspection team will come to the factory and the production line and conduct spot checks on each process. Spot checks. This is also a management measure we have for quality stability. And the most crucial aspect is our production equipment. The most crucial part is our production equipment. As I mentioned earlier, each piece of our production equipment comes from a top-tier manufacturer in the industry and is shipped directly. Our new second phase plant, which was put into use in 2024, houses our high-precision equipment. And from the end of 2024 to the beginning of 2025, our new first phase plant, the old plant workshop of the first phase, and all of our old equipment have been upgraded and iterated. All the old equipment have been phased out, and we have repurchased industry-leading high-precision equipment. High-precision equipment. In the same year, the old plant workshop of the first phase was replaced, and our production capacity has also tripled. doubled because these high precision equipment can accurately control the speed and precisely control the speed, and its speed is faster than the previous older equipment. It also greatly saves labor and reduces labor costs. This also allows us to solve our own delivery date problem, because before, many old customers found quite that. During the peak delivery season, we often have long scheduling lead times. After the completion and use of our new plant in phase 2, and the upgrade and iteration of our equipment, our production capacity has also been greatly improved. Up to now, our daily production capacity can reach 80,000 meters. Reaching 80,000 meters. This greatly solves our delivery date problem. Greatly solves the delivery date problem. And in terms of quality control. In this process, the most critical factor is our core high-precision equipment. Many bosses should know that. During the use of this high-pressure rubber hose, if phenomena such as pipe bursting, oil leakage, and air leakage occur frequently, including some phenomena such as being unable to withstand pressure, not bearing pressure, and peeling. Delamination and steel wire delamination. 90% of the time is due to insufficient equipment accuracy. Equipment's accuracy is not enough, including those caused by insufficient vulcanization. Insufficient vulcanization leads to this. And our Hen Snowpop Rubber Hose Co. Limited. All production equipment are directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry.
And each device is equipped with a high-precision computer,
which can accurately control the speed. It can accurately control the speed. It can always be in control and accurately control the wall thickness of the high-pressure rubber hose, including the number of layers of steel wires, the winding angle, and the weaving tension. The weaving tension can greatly improve the compressive performance of each of our high-pressure rubber hoses, as well as their wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and oil resistance, including their anti-aging properties. All of these can be greatly improved, because the higher the precision of this equipment, the more stable its quality will be. The more stable the quality will be. This is also the core key to our ability to control the stability of high-pressure hose products. The core key. Now, there are still many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market, 90% of which come from small workshops. They come from small workshops. Those small workshops are generally relatively small in scale, and the production equipment they use is some old equipment. The accuracy of its equipment is not enough. The accuracy of the equipment is not enough, and the quality of the high-pressure rubber hose it produces will not be stable. It will not be stable. Handon City Sinopulse Co. Limited. His products, our production equipment, are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry, and all our equipment is high-precision equipment. Up to now, the high-pressure rubber hose of our factory has been exported to more than 60 countries around the world, and it is because of our highly stable quality, reliable delivery time, as well as after-sales service, that our customers are willing to cooperate with us for a longer time. We have more and more customers, and the number is still growing. As for the products of our factory, the quality, and our high standard management in the production process, as well as the control of high precision equipment, we make our quality more and more stable. The quality is becoming more and more stable. Besides, our factory has our own R&D team. The factory has its own R&D team. It can be adapted to all your working condition requirements. All working condition requirements. Whether you need high wear resistant, high corrosion resistant, or high pressure hoses that can withstand extra high pressure, or extra high pressure hoses, or those that can adapt to 150 degrees above zero, or 50 degrees below zero. Our high pressure hoses can adapt to all the conditions. They can meet your needs and adapt to scenarios, all kinds of scenarios. What's more, we have also developed super soft pipes, which can adapt to all your working conditions in narrow space. Meet your needs in narrow working space. Everyone, all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream room. All the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream room. If you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream room and stay for a while. Stay for a while and Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Ltd. Up to now, has already been deeply cultivating in this industry for 15 years. We have been deeply cultivating in this industry for 15 years. Our factory not only undertakes conventional brands of high-pressure rubber hoses, of course, but also accepts some non-standard customizations. Our factory has our own R&D team, who can also meet your adaptation needs. We can meet your adaptation needs. Currently, our factory's high-pressure rubber hoses can adapt to your temperature of 150 degrees above zero and can work under the temperature of 150 degrees above zero and minus 50 degrees. Under the high temperature of 150 degrees above zero, our high-pressure rubber hose will not age or deform. It will not age or deform under the working condition of minus 40 degrees or minus 50 degrees. Our high-pressure rubber hose is more flexible and softer. It won't harden or become exceptionally stiff, making it impossible to bend. This also greatly extends the service life of our high-pressure rubber hose. Due to its softness, this is also the core technical team of our factory, who have our own R&D team. Our factory has our own R&D team. All the scenarios that can be adapted to you can be adapted to all of your scenarios. Welcome everyone who just entered the live stream. Welcome everyone who just entered the live stream. I am currently located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. We are a source factory of high-pressure oil pipes, hydraulic oil pipes, and high-pressure rubber pipes, which is a source factory of high-pressure rubber pipes and hydraulic oil pipes. If you are also looking for high-quality high-pressure rubber pipes, be sure to come to the host's live room and stay for a while. Stay for a while. Today's live broadcast lasts a full 2 hours. There are still more than 20 minutes left before the host goes off air. In another 20 minutes, the host will sign off. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber pipes, be sure to contact the host. And make sure to contact the host. Here, I will briefly explain to you all. Simply explain to you all the scale of our factory. Some basic information about our factory. Our factory was established in 2011. Currently, it covers a total area of over 100 mu. And our total construction workshop has reached over 100,000 square meters. We have our veteran workshop, the production workshop of FAW Veteran, and the new plant in the second phase, including our own mixing workshop. We have an independent R&D workshop,
including our own quality inspection workshop,
which is equipped with a full set of laboratory equipment. Whether it's your anti-aging test, fire protection test, oil resistance test, an anti-static test, including a tensile test, including a rapid vulcanization experiment, including pulse experiments, burst experiments. Our factory has a full range of experimental equipment, a full process of experimental equipment, whether it is for the inspection of raw materials or the inspection of our finished products, including the inspection of our rubber. We can meet all your inspection requirements. Our factory's products can fully meet your inspection requirements. Our factory is a large-scale integrated industrial and trading enterprise that covers the entire process. A large industrial and trading enterprise. We don't have any middlemen. And from the establishment of our factory until now, we never engage in low-price competition. Our factory never competes by undercutting prices. We rely on stable quality, stable delivery times, and stable after-sales service. Of course, the quality of a factory's products determines how far this factory can go, how long it can last. Now, in the high-pressure hose manufacturing cluster, a number of original factories have indeed closed. Original factories. Why would a number of such factories close? It is because they are in a vicious cycle. They are competing solely on rock-bottom prices. If you offer a lower price, I'll offer an even lower one. You lower it again, and I'll undercut you once more. Why are they able to push prices so low? They can only reduce their quality. But you have to understand that if quality declines, their reputation will be ruined. Their reputation will be gone. Why has our factory been able to develop into a large-scale enterprise with 15 years of history? A 15-year-old factory, and we are still continuously expanding. We have already expanded to phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. And this year, our new phase 4 plant is also under construction and will be soon completed, and will be put into use. Why can we become a large factory with a history of 15 years? And until now, we are still continuously expanding and have been in production. What we rely on is our stable quality. Because our factory never competes by cutting prices or engaging in homogenized competition. Quality is our core key. The products of our factory uphold international standards and meet international standards. We never cut corners on materials or compromise on quality. During my previous live streams, I also showed you some of our experimental data, real and authentic data. On one occasion, I remember we tested a single-layer high-pressure rubber hose. And a single-layer high-pressure rubber hose, for our bosses who are in procurement, or anyone in the industry to know that, for a single-layer high-pressure rubber hose, its pulse data is 200,000 times to meet the standard. 200,000 times to meet the standard. At that time, when I was presenting the experimental data during the live stream, in front of the experimental bench, it was a pulse laboratory, the experimental bench. When I got there, I saw one of our 106, which was 6 high-pressure rubber hoses on the first floor. The experimental pulse data at that time had reached more than 500,000 times. More than 500,000 times. This experimental data also truly confirms the quality of our factory. The quality of our factory's products has far exceeded twice the international standard. More than twice. At that time, the experiment was still ongoing, still in progress. So, based on these experimental data, it truly reflects the quality stability of our factory, and a high standard and stable quality. Stability. So, all the business owners in procurement, if you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, I believe many business owners, when purchasing, must have stepped into some traps for the same appearance, the same hose, but in terms of service life, compared with our product, there is a big difference. It is because they are all caught in an internal competition. All are engaged in involution. They keep slashing prices, engaging in a price war, and creating a vicious cycle. The more you reduce the price, the lower the quality of the product will be, as they have to reduce the quality of raw materials. By reducing costs, can they manage to lower the price so much? But if they lower the price in this way, the quality will also decline, and the number of his customers will decrease. The owners of our procurement business should all know that if we purchase a batch of these cheap high-pressure rubber hoses, although it is indeed cheaper and can save money, we only buy cheap ones once. Its service life is greatly shortened. Its service life is greatly shortened. Besides, its service life, it is frequent during its use. Some quality problems occur frequently, either pipe bursting or oil leakage, and its service life is greatly shortened. So, in the course of our use, a series of problems will also arise, resulting in half the result with twice the effort. Right. Since, during the use, problems like pipe bursting or oil leakage occur, which may cause safety problems and quality problems. During use, will the replacement cost be calculated? Right? Will your labor cost be calculated? So, if you add it up like this, your procurement cost will increase greatly, which will increase greatly. You might as well find a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hose. Right. You might as well find one with reliable quality, reliable delivery and after-sales service. Then we can save a lot of trouble and save a series of trouble. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. For those who just joined us, please give the host a follow. Give the host a follow and give some likes. Now, I am currently located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. We are a source factory. We are a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory. A one-stop hydraulic factory. We not only produce high-pressure rubber hoses of conventional brands, but also all kinds of special-shaped rubber hoses. And we can steadily undertake special-shaped joints, because our factory can now achieve independent research and development. Independent research and development and independent production. All the high-pressure rubber hoses of regular brands, our rubber layer is more stable. The rubber layer is more stable. All the special-shaped joints and special-shaped rubber hoses. We have a professional quality inspection team. We'll provide you with one-on-one services. One-on-one services. One-on-one docking. Besides, we have our own professional sales team. We can provide free quotations, free sample sending, free sample catalog sending, free sample catalog sending. Our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. A one-stop hydraulic factory. And our factory is a large-scale integrated industrial and trading enterprise that integrates the whole process. We don't have any middlemen. We don't have any middlemen. All large orders and customized orders, we can undertake all of them. We are engaged in self-production and self-marketing without any middlemen from the establishment of our factory to now. We have never competed by lowering prices. What we compete for is stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Only in this way can we go further. Our factory will go further. Our clients will cooperate with us for a longer time, and the cooperation will last for a longer period. This is also where we insist on the core bottom line for 15 years. This is also our core bottom line.
I didn't see it and couldn't get into it.
What?
27 degrees.
So you're ending the stream, right?
I don't know either.
Come and get it now.
10 minutes left. And the host is about to end the stream.
10 minutes left.
The host is about to end the stream. Everyone. For those of you who are still lingering outside the live stream. For those of you who are still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. And stay for a while. Finally, in the last 10 minutes, the host will briefly explain to you the scale of our factory. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handin City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. And our factory currently covers a total area of over 100 mu. Over 100 mu. Our total construction area of the workshop has exceeded 100,000 square meters. More than 100,000 square meters. We have our own independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including our warehouse workshop, which covers an area of over 20,000 square meters. We also have our own shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading factory with a whole process integration. An integrated industrial and trading factory. All products are self-produced and self-sold. Self-produced and self-sold.
We don't have any middlemen.
For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our price is more suitable. The price is more suitable, and the price is more reasonable. All the bosses in charge of procurement. If you want to come to the scene, whether for on-site visits or for a factory connection, we have a small live broadcast windmill in the lower right corner. The small windmill for live streaming. You can get in touch with our host. You can get in touch with our host. All the family members who just entered the live stream room, please follow the host and give some likes. Give some likes. Everyone. Everyone who has the intention to purchase. All the bosses who want to make purchases. Who want to make purchases or want to learn about our factory can click the small windmill icon on the live stream. The small windmill icon in the live stream. In 10 minutes, the host will end the live stream. The host will end the live stream. Our factory not only produces high-pressure rubber hoses of regular brands, but also all kinds of special-shaped rubber hoses and special-shaped joints. Our factory can handle them with ease. Moreover, our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. All the hydraulic equipment. Our factory provides one-stop procurement. This greatly saves everyone's time and also significantly reduces procurement time and costs. Costs of procurement. We have a few minutes left, so I'd like to talk about something. Our factory is not a newly opened one. It's not a small, new factory. It's a large-scale integrated factory that combines both manufacturing and trading. A large integrated manufacturer and trader. Our factory was established in 2011. In the remaining minutes, let me give you a brief introduction to our factory, so you know more about it. Our factory is not a small, new one. We are a specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei province. All the certificates held by the host right now can be verified online. All can be checked on the internet. This is also why we can undertake large-scale projects, both domestic and overseas ones. This core bottom line relies on these authoritative qualifications. What the host is holding now is our province-level specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei province, a specialized and innovative SME. This proves that our factory is not a small workshop, nor a middleman, but a real entity manufacturer. Up to now, our factory has been deeply engaged in this industry for 15 years. It's a core old factory with 15 years of experience. A core old factory? Well, our factory is a high-tech enterprise, which has been certified as such. The certificate, our factory, founded in 2011, has been deeply engaged in this industry for 15 years now. We are a truly high-tech enterprise, not a small workshop. The certificate the host is holding now is our ISO 9001 quality certification certificate. ISO 9001 quality certification certificate. This certificate of ours, many bosses should know about it. This certificate shows that we are not a small workshop. It's not something that can be obtained casually. Our ISO 9001 is an international quality certification system. And every year our auditors come to the site to assess our management, including the production process through on-site audits. If the audit is not passed,
Well,
as we all know, ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification requires our auditors to come to our site every year. If during the audit process, we fail to meet the standards and don't meet the standards, the certificate will be revoked. The reason why our factory has been able to maintain ISO 9001 certification for a long time is that precisely because we have maintained this certification for such a long time, it is due to our factory's high standard management that such a certificate can be obtained, not just any small workshop. Lastly, the last certificate is our beauty certification. The beauty certification. This is a mandatory certificate for mining products. Our factory has obtained the MA certification for all brands and models of high-pressure rubber tubes this year. All of these products have obtained the certificate. This is not a certificate that just any small workshop can obtain. Those who understand should know that obtaining this certificate is not particularly easy, and it's not something you can get easily. It requires a series of tests and inspections, and only after your product meets the standards can this certificate be issued. This also proves that our factory has relatively high quality requirements, and our factory has ultra-high standards, as well as ultra-high quality standards. What the host just got in their hand are all certifications that can be checked on the entire network. This is also the core bottom line that allows us to continuously undertake large-scale projects both domestically and internationally. The core bottom line relies on our authoritative qualifications. It all depends on these authoritative qualifications. In a few minutes, the host will end the live stream. There are still 5 minutes left, right? In 5 more minutes, the host will end the live stream. There are only the last 5 minutes left. If anyone is still looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and don't miss it. The host will end the live stream in 5 minutes. There is a small live windmill in the lower right corner. Yes, that small live windmill icon. Everyone, please look at the lower right corner. Everyone, click the small windmill in the lower right corner of the host. The host will end the live stream in 5 minutes. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Our factory benefits from a superior geographical location and enjoys convenient transportation. It is close to the main highway, right next to the main highway. The Fexing West Expressway entrance, which we newly put into operation in 2025, is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. It's just 1 kilometer away. Our factory benefits from a superior geographical location, and the nationwide delivery logistics are super fast. Our factory is growing larger and larger, and our current daily output is 80,000 units. Our delivery time is super stable, and our factory's delivery time is super reliable. For all the original equipment manufacturers who want to produce high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, please pay attention to our live stream. Please follow our live stream, and the live stream will be over in 5 minutes. Please follow our live stream and show some love to our live stream. Everyone, so still outside the live room, who are still watching from outside, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live room. Okay. Is it stuck?
Everyone.
Who are still watching from outside the live room. Everyone's still watching from outside the live room. Handon City Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Limited is a core manufacturer with 15 years of experience. It has been established for 15 years, and we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We are not a newly opened small factory, but an established one. Our factory currently has over 350 employees, more than 350 people, and our daily output is 80,000 meters. With a daily output of 80,000 meters, all large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders have extremely reliable delivery times, which are super stable if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, or if you would like to visit our factory in person. That's also possible. You can click the small windmill in the lower right corner. Everyone who is still lingering outside the live stream. Everyone who is watching from outside the live stream. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to contact the host.
Okay.
Last minute.
And I'm going to end the live broadcast. So if you haven't followed me yet, please hit the follow button. Please give me a follow if you haven't done so. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-rubber tubes, be sure to click the little yellow card in the live stream. I will contact everyone after the live broadcast. Last minute, I'm about to end the live broadcast. I have 1 minute left, and if you are also really looking for high-quality, high-rubber tubes, be sure to contact me. The little yellow card in the lower right corner of the live stream. You can click it. To all the family members who are still watching from outside the live stream, if you are still looking for high-quality hydraulic hoses, be sure to follow me. Give me a like. That's the end of today's live stream. See you at the same time tomorrow. See you tomorrow at the same time. Is time up? See you tomorrow at the same time. Bye.